Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everyone, faculty and fellow colleagues. My name is Mus Rahmat Ramadan, and today I am privileged to present my pharmacological review title: Pharmacological Review of Active Compound from Traditional Medicinal Plant with anti-inflammatory activity. Let's begin. Okay, to understand the clinical of the review of this review, we must first address our target inflammation. Background and important definition of inflammation, role in chronic disease, global disease burden, and economic impact. Traditional plant medicine complement to modern therapy. 50% drug from nature anti-inflammatory net inflammation. A double-edged sword. Number one, protective role, immune response against pathogen and tissue injury. Number two, chronic risk, uncontrolled inflammation and arthritis, diabetes, cardiovascular disease, cancer. And number three, global burden, major driver of chronic disease and healthcare costs worldwide. Okay, let's move to our next slide. Okay, in this review, we jump in on four of the most heavily researched and pharmacological active phytochemical, active compound and their plant source. Number one, curcumin, Curcuma longa or turmeric, inhibits NF-κB and COX. Two, widely used in traditional Ayurvedic medicine for inflammation and pain relief. Modern studies confirm potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant efficacy. Number two, resveratrol, Polygonum cuspidatum or Japanese knot, modulates cytokine production and exert antioxidant effect. Traditional used in Asian medicine, emergical clinical and evidence support cardiovascular and anti-inflammatory benefit. Number three, quercetin, various protein and vegetable, stabilizes mast cell and reduces histamine release. Ubiquitous flavonoid with broad anti-inflammatory properties, validated in numerous in vitro and in vivo studies. Boswellic acid, Boswellia serrata or frankincense, selectively inhibitor 5-lock enzyme, reducing leukotriene synthesis. Traditional used for arthritis and inflammatory bowel condition, clinically studies for osteoporosis and asthma management. Let's your next slide. Okay, everyone, how do this natural substance translate into pharmacological therapies? Primary principles, compound classification, mode of action, and bioavailability. Pharmacological principles of anti-inflammatory compound. Number one, major compound classes and flavonoid, alkaloid, terpenoid, and phenolic, as with distinct structural and functional properties. Number two, mode of action, inhibition of pro-inflammatory enzymes, COX-1 or COX-2, 5 LOX, modulation of cytoxin signaling, TNF, IL-6, IL-1 beta, and antioxidant mediated suppression of oxidative stress. Number three, bioavailability and pharmacokinetic are critical determinants of therapeutic efficacy. Many plant-derived compounds require formulation strategies to enhance absorption and systemic distribution. Let's your move next slide. Okay, let's deeper into the precise molecular mechanism of disease compound. Mechanism of action. Number one, curcumin inhibits in FKB signaling pathway and COX-2 enzyme activity, suppressing pro-inflammatory gene expansion. Number two, resveratrol modulates cytokine production, TNF, IL-6, exhibit potent antioxidant properties via SIRT1 activation. Number three, quercetin stabilizes mast cell, reduces histamine release, and inhibits phospholipase 2 activity. Number four, boswellic acid selectively inhibits 5-LOX enzyme, reducing leukotriene synthesis and neuropil migration. Let's move your next slide. Okay, current research therapeutic potential. Number one, recent in vitro or in vivo studies confirm efficacy of curcumin, quercetin, and boswellic acid in reducing inflammatory biomarkers. Number two, clinical trial and meta-analysis support anti-inflammatory activity of plant-derived compound with favorable safety profiles. Number three, challenge remain lack of standardization in extraction, variable dosage regimen, and long-term safety data. Number four, publication output on plant-based anti-inflammatory compound has grown over 300% in the past decade. Number five, promoting therapeutic integration into complementary care for arthritis, IBD, and chronic inflammation. Let's move your next slide. Okay, conclusion, put to direction. Number one, traditional medical plan remain a rise and underexplored source of anti-inflammatory agent. Number two, rigorous clinical studies and improve standardization formulation are urgently needed. Number three, active compound show strong potential for integration into complementary therapies for chronic inflammation. Number four, multidisciplinary collaboration between entomobotanists, pharmacologists, and clinical is essential. Number five, future research should address bioavailability, dosage optimization, and long-term safety profiles. Number six, bridging traditional knowledge with modern pharmacology offers promising therapeutic opportunities. Thank you. Okay, thank you for your attention. With that, I conclude my presentation. Thank you very much for your time and your valuable attention. I am now open to any question, comment, or feedback you may do regarding this review. Thank you.